Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out which hardware sensors are available in Samsung smartphones without using any app. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the phone or dialer application and now just type *#0*#. So now you will see here tons of options. So we'll directly focus on the topic. Now you can see your sensor, just click on it. Now you will see all the sensors list that will be present on your respective Android smartphones. So in my case, you can see accelerometer sensor, proxy sensor and light sensor, gyroscope sensor, magnetic sensor, and fingerprint test also available here. So these are all the sensors that is present on my respective Samsung smartphones. So in your case, there may be more or less. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily find out which hardware sensors are available in Samsung smartphones without using any app very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.